Good morning, everyone. This is my assigned topic for report. So, first is through conventional level, a child essence of morality is tied to personal and societal relationship. Children continue to accept the roles of authority figures, but this is now due to their belief and that is necessary to ensure the positive relationship and societal order. So, through conventional level, ang mga bata is sense of morality because every children is kinahanglan gyud sila dapat disiplinahon aron magdako sila nga respeto ug aron dili sila dali ma-influensahan sa mga bad person. Next is stage 3. Good boy or nice girl orientation. Children want the approval of all and act in way to avoid disapproval. Emphasis is placed on good behavior and, and people being nice to others. The individual is good in order to be seen as being a good person by other. So, for example, kanang ipakita nimo nga good boy or nice girl ka, dili lang kung kanang sa inyong balay, dili lang kanang sa sulod sa inyong balay kad buotan, kundi pati sa gawas dapat respectful o helpful gihapon ka in sa lain tao. Next is stage 4, law and order orientation. The child individuals become aware of wider roles of society, so judgment concern obeying the rules in order to uphold the law and order and to avoid guilt. So for example, diri is kanang kabalugid ka nga, for example, diri is kanang mulaong gid ka na it is matter of I have to do this because the law says so. Kanang kabalo ko diri sa law and order orientation nang kabalugid ka nga kabalugid ka sa mga rules sa mga rules sa right o wrong. For example, for example, pulis ka unya nakanadakpan nga isa ka kriminal tas mulaong siya na ayaw na ko dakpa magbayad ako sa imong kwarta. So kabalo man ka sa rules of authority nimo as a police nga mali ay gibuhat, so dakpon gihapon nimo kay mm, wala man to sa rules nga imuhang gisunod. So that's all, thank you.